There are places that enthuse, there are destinations that enthrall. But my heart lies in the journeys that take me on unexplored and unmapped paths. These journeys don't just captivate the mind, instead, they make you realize that seeking to lose yourself is not such a waste of time after all. I am Mayank Chang, and I am a seeker of the lost essence of India. Partnered by Spotify. Download now. Lenovo Yoga, Yoga for All of Us, and White Hat Junior. Farz karo that somewhere out there is a world that is full of beauty, peace, charm, and adventure. A world that excites the child within and amuses and allures the senses with all its wonders. अक्सर मैं खुद से कहता था कि ऐसी जन्नत तो सिर्फ हमारे ख्वाबों में ही हो सकती है. That such a world is a lost world. But that was until I visited Kashmir. I could tell the moment I arrived here that whatever I might have imagined would pale in comparison. Because the human mind might have its limits, but Kashmir's beauty, it knows no bounds. Kashmir is enormous, and there is no dearth of lost or hidden places in this part of the world. But what I am looking for in particular is this, Zohornag, where there's not one, not two, not three, but 4 enormous lakes surrounded by the beautiful mountains. And the highlight, I'm told, is that one of them is heart-shaped, if you have the eyes for it. I can't wait. The Margan Top Base Camp is about a 5-hour drive from Srinagar, and from the base camp, it is a 2-hour trek. Once this trek begins, Zohornag is completely off the track, and it has no earmarked route. All one can do is look for it. Exactly what the solo explorer in me is craving for. But first, the happy distractions. On my way, a beautiful little town called Pampore. You must be wondering why I've taken a detour through the narrow lanes of Pampore. That's because a treasure of Kashmir is found only in this place. Come with me. Saffron, one of the most expensive spices in the world and a treasure of Kashmir. Saffron is one of the most sought after spices in the world, but there's little that we know about it. Thankfully, I have Zayed here with me, whose family has been in the cultivation of saffron for the last
3 generations.
Zayed, सबसे important question, saffron इतना महंगा क्यों है?
तो इसमें ये चीज़ है कि होल ईयर में सिर्फ 1 महीना सैफरन वी कैन कल्टिवेट देयर, वो हमने निकालते हैं सिर्फ 1 महीना, एंड 1 महीने में 4 बार हम निकालते हैं. तो रेस्ट ऑफ टाइम ये लैंड बिल्कुल बेकार होती है. और
ये 1 महीना जो होता है वो कौन सा महीना है साल में?
मिड अक्टूबर, मिड नवंबर. तो उस टाइम पे हमारी कल्टिवेशन यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होती है. एक्चुअली इट कम्स विद फ्लावर्स, पर्पल कलर फ्लावर. तो इसके अंदर हमारे स्टेगमास होते हैं, 3 स्टेगमा रेड कलर के, और इसमें 3 होते हैं येलो कलर के. द रेड वन दैट इज द एक्सपेंसिव वन.
Zayed, is it true that Kashmiri saffron is better than all the other saffron in the world?
कश्मीरी सैफरन जो है, इसका जो अरोमा, जो फ्रेगरेंस इसका है, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, और जितना ये ओल्ड होता जाएगा उतनी इसकी फ्रेगरेंस बढ़ती जाती है.
The saffron flower is known for its golden stigmas, and the cultivation of this flower is a delicate and difficult process that requires highly skilled farmers. ज़ाहिर मेरी मम्मी ने कहा था कि कश्मीर से वापस आते समय एक डब्बा सैफरन लेके आना. मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं यही डब्बा ले जाऊँ. कितने का होगा ये?
2.5 लाख रुपए का.
2.5 लाख? एक्चुअली मेरा बजट तो
फिर आपके लिए तो ये फिर
It's still a long drive to Margan Top Base Camp, and I intend to fully enjoy the journey. By the way, can I get any luckier? On my way is another village where the world-famous Kashmir willow cricket bats are manufactured. Man, the cricket fanatic in me just cannot miss this. So no ifs, no buts, I'm taking this cut, and it's a straight drive to Sangam, the home of the Kashmir willow. Okay, I'm now at Dar Sporting Goods, and they are one of the oldest bat makers in the country, and I'm here to find out whether I can find the perfect bat for myself. Wish me luck. तो इस लकड़ी से बनता है सब कुछ?
ये लकड़ी रखी है हमने बैट बनाने के लिए।
कौन सी लकड़ी किस बैट के लिए है यहाँ?
मतलब ये सीजन बैट के लिए। जो ये साइड में लगा है ये है मतलब डोमेस्टिक में जो टेनिस बैट बनता है।
जरा एक कुछ देख सकता हूँ मैं?
जी हाँ।
ये मैं तो कश्मीरी विलो के बारे में सुन के आया हूँ।
ये जो मेरे हाथ में है ये कश्मीर विलो का ही है।
चलिए बनाते हैं इसे। This is going to be the beginning of the process of building a fantastic bat. The scenic hills of Kashmir boast of all four seasons. Where the snow runs deep in the winters, the summers are mellow, and the fall and monsoons are just gorgeous. The wood from the Kashmir willow produces some of the best cricket bats in the world, considered on par with, if not better than, the English willow. Budding cricketers of India walk out to dusty fields wielding bats made of this to hone their skills that would one day perhaps ensure them a place in their state or national teams.
ये लीजिए सर, आपका बैट तैयार हो।
क्या बात है! I can't believe it. A block of wood has turned into this piece of art right in front of my eyes. Kashmir willow is a special bat. In fact, it's not just a bat. It is a legacy. Legend has it that at the age of 11 years, a young prodigy was gifted his first season bat by his sister. That bat marked his entry into the cricketing world. Which bat was it? The Kashmir willow. The prodigy, Sachin Tendulkar. And did you know which bat he used when he scored his 35th Test century? The Kashmir willow again. This is special. And this one, right now, is all mine. I'm ready to test it out. The best journeys are those that are decided by your instincts rather than a schedule. That's stopover for the Kashmir willow experience. Now that's what I call hitting the ball out of the park. This is the best part of the journey. My first glimpse of Morgan Top right there. That's where I'm headed. Have a look. My God, the mountain ranges, the poplar trees, the fresh air. Okay, that was quite a journey. Extremely scenic, beautiful, sometimes a little risky, but that's the fun of the journey, right? अभी मैं पहुंच गया हूं यहाँ पर बेस कैंप, मर्गन बेस कैंप. यहाँ से मुझे तोहरनाग जाना है. It's a 2-hour trek to see some beautiful lakes. I've heard so much about it, and I've thought कि अगर ऐसे beautiful destination पर जा रहा हूँ, तो एक दोस्त साथ में होना चाहिए. And I couldn't think of anybody else other than Vahid bhai. Vahid bhai.
Welcome Tang, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Yeah, Vahid bhai, he is the boss man around here. इस एरिया को अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं, बहुत ही एविड एक्सप्लोरर हैं, ट्रैकर हैं himself. And मुझे लगता है कि आपके साथ ट्रैक करने में बड़ा मजा आएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, you will enjoy.
मैं रेडी हूँ.
चलें फिर?
चलिए.
Let's go.
Okay. So we've just started the trek to Morgan Top and I'm already feeling breathless. मेरे लिए तो पहली बार है.
बट वाहिद भाई आप तो पहले भी आ चुके हो,
बिल्कुल।
तो कहाँ तक जाना है हमें?
बस थोड़ा ही तो है।
हाँ
ये पहाड़ देख रहे हैं ना आप?
हाँ। अरे बाप रे, बस वाहिद भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ। अच्छा नहीं, I'm just kidding. We've come so far. Morgan Top is the crown. It is the lost essence of Kashmir, and I've been told that the view is to die for out there. So इतनी दूर आए हैं, जाना तो बनता है.
बनता है। Let's go.
Let's go. यही है?
यही है कश्मीर का दिल।
Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Finally, after a 2-hour trek, we made it to the heart of Kashmir. We made it! Woo!
Zohornag in Kashmiri means 4 springs. It is almost unbelievable that this stunningly beautiful valley remains one of the hidden jewels in the crowning glory of Kashmir's beauty. इस जगह की हर बात में एक गजब की गहराई है। ऐसा लगता है जैसे they are all talking to me and all I have to do is listen. And of course, how can I forget this particular lake? The fabled heart-shaped lake. This is nature's architecture at its best. Indeed, the best views come after the hardest climbs.
कहते हैं कश्मीरियों का दिल शीशे जैसा साफ होता है, लेकिन आज यहाँ पर आकर मैंने जाना कि उनका दिल सिर्फ साफ नहीं, खूबसूरत भी है, बिल्कुल इस झील की तरह।
The beauty of this place is infinite. How do you even capture something like this for posterity? My experience today is nothing short of a wonderland. With its surreal natural beauty, coupled with the rich culture, heritage, and history, Kashmir feels like a beautiful bubble in the modern world. A bubble that enriches the unrelenting explorer and me with its mysticism. A bubble that I would never want to escape.
As promised, the view and the experience at Morgan Top was spectacular. अब हम नीचे आ गए बेस कैंप पर, and Srinagar is 5 hours away. But कौन कमबख्त वापस जाना चाहता है अभी? Right now, we decided the best thing to do is just stay back at base camp, थोड़ी camping करें, थोड़ा enjoy करें, and what better way to enjoy this night than with some music? Fortunately, Wahid Bhai has invited some of our friends. Yeah. All right, let's go for it then. मायनी मेरी शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर है चंबा कितनी दूर शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना.
Destinations come and go, but the journey is what it is really about, right? I can't stop just yet because there is so much more to explore in our beautiful country. I've only just scratched the surface and I believe that many more stories await me. This season may have come to an end, but isn't this just the beginning? My search for the lost essence of India will go on. Remember, keep seeking.